Now, notice that both these are required. You cannot say, let us eliminate Rajas and Tamas. Then you can't sleep, you can't act. It is required. Rajas is required. Tamas is required. But in the proper quantity. When Rajas and Tamas are balanced, then what happens? Something very beautiful. It is called Sattva. Okay? Sattva is purity, beauty. Yeah? See, when you see a beautiful sunset, how do you feel? No, that is Sattva. That Va is Sattva. Alright? Do you get it? So, how do you know that Sattva is high? Number one, when you close your eyes, you are not bombarded with thoughts. You can close your eyes and relax. Usually, when you close your eyes, then open your eyes. Right? You can close your eyes and relax. Second, you feel cheerful, people around you feel cheerful. Third, your efforts bear fruit very quickly. Have you noticed this? Sometimes you do so much work yet it doesn't work? Yes. And other times you do very little work and you get so much? Happened, no? The second time, Sattva was high. First time, Sattva was not high. That is why you are working, it's not working. Are you getting this? Yes? So, what we call success and extreme good luck. Yeah? Sometimes it happens, no, the day goes so perfectly, everything just falls into place. Yes? Now, you want that kind of a day to happen more often rather than 3 times a year, then you have to learn to meditate. Because what you do when you meditate, see, both, all these 3 are snowball. When you start, tamas goes out of control little bit, suddenly it becomes big, suddenly it becomes very big. Yes? Same with rajas. Have you noticed how anger comes so suddenly? You don't get angry slowly. Anger, bang, it comes like that, right? It is a snowball effect that happens. Similarly with sattva. Even sattva has a snowball effect. Okay? So, dhire, as you rise the sattva, it snowballs and life becomes really fun to live. Okay? Yes? So, balancing out the rajas and the tamas and increasing the sattva. This is the formula for success. Okay? And this is what spirituality is all about. Spirituality is not sitting on the top of Mount Everest and chanting Om and turning blue. Okay? Spirituality is not generally renouncing everything as if you have anything to renounce also. Yeah? No, spirituality does not mean not having money. Okay? You know, in India, Narayana and Lakshmi are married to each other. Isn't it? Narayana is the Lord of knowledge. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth. Knowledge and wealth go together. Unko divorce nahi hai. Okay? So, many people think, oh, spirituality means I should be poor. That's bullshit. Okay? If you are truly spiritual, then you are definitely rich. Check out my laptop. Okay? It's perhaps the most expensive laptop in Bombay. You know how much it costs? 4.5 lakh rupees. Yeah? You know why? Because it has speed. One thing I believe in, see, time will never come back. Money will come back. So I always invest in the best that I can possibly invest in. Because money comes back, yaar. Time doesn't. Are you getting what I'm saying? So excellence, pursuit, getting to be excellent, getting to realize your dreams, but at the same time not getting stressed out and tired while doing it. This is spirituality. Okay? If you have had any other concept of spirituality, throw it out of the window. Okay? Because that's not it. Alright? Okay. So now, would you like to increase your sattva a little bit? Yes. Shall we meditate? Yes? So, about 7-8 minutes we will meditate. Okay? 7-8 minutes. All you have to do is close your eyes, sit comfortably and follow my instructions as much as you can without effort. Alright? Suppose I say, think of the color pink and all you can do is see blue. Don't go, where the hell is that pink? Okay? You stay with blue, it's alright. Alright? Okay? So absolutely no effort. You just sit relaxed. Yeah? And I will say a few things and you listen to. When you are meditating, you need to close your eyes. Okay? I give you my personal guarantee that the room will still be here when you open your eyes. Okay? So while meditating, don't, hai. Okay? Everything will be right here. Don't worry about it. Okay? Yes? Is this alright with everybody? Yes? Okay, good. So let's sit comfortably. Let's close our eyes.